Do you want to make your streams accessible to more viewers, i.e. potentially get more eyes on your streams? Well, adding closed captioning can do just that. And not only is it awesome for viewers with hearing issues because they can actually follow the stream, but it's great for those who are at work who have you on mute. And yes, before anybody says, it still counts as a view if somebody watches you on mute. So yeah, let's get closed captioning installed on OBS. Okay, first things first, you want to click on the link in the description of this video and it should take you to this OBS closed captioning plugin page. A lot to say for me there. You get a list of different operating systems. So just click on the one which you're using. Obviously for me it is Windows, so we click that, grab that the file from there, and you should get this zip file. Now all you have to do here is just click through these closed captionings, OBS plugins, 64-bit, and then you will get the plugin, this DLL file. You want to grab that and put that in the plugins file of your OBS Studio, which for me is located here. So that might be a little bit different for you, but mine's in Program Files, OBS Studio, OBS Plugins, and 64-bit. Throw it in there, and that's pretty much the hardest bit done. Now we move on to OBS, so open that up now. Okay, here we are in OBS, and we're going to take a look at the plugin we've just installed. So click on Tools at the top there, and scroll all the way down to Cloud, Closed, Captions. You don't know how hard that is for me to say. Click on that, but we're going to look at the settings first to make sure everything looks right. So click on Settings at the top right there, brings the settings box up, and you want to make sure that the caption source is set to your mic, which is the one connected in your settings. Obviously this is my mic, and the caption when is caption source is heard on stream, so the captions will only appear when your mic isn't muted, which is good. And your language is set to whatever your language is. Obviously it's for me English. Everything else you can leave, or you can dabble with and test if you want, but that is exactly what I need, and it just works. And obviously I've got the show preview here in a box, and we'll just click off this and then click off this. Now if you want a little magic of a dock boxed here so you can see that it's working at all times, all you have to do is click on Docs at the top here and scroll down to Captions, tick that, a little box will appear, and like any dock you can kind of position it anywhere you want. So there's quite nice, you can see that working when it's on stream. And that is it for OBS. Let's have a look at it in action though. You want to see what it's like live, don't you? Okay, now I'm live on Twitch with a dummy account just to show you how this works. Now I've been talking for a little while to get this to kick in, but if you hover over your screen while you're live, you should see this CC box appear there, and you want to click on that, and then it'll just show the captions as is. Brilliant, it is working. That is now connected from your OBS to when you're live. Now your viewers do have some options with this. If they go to the settings button here, you have closed caption options, and they can just change the colors and size and effects and things like that. Simple as that. They can have a little play around. So just something to be aware of if your viewers are using it and maybe they're asking about it. Do tell them there are some settings they can mess around with there. But that is it. As soon as you have that on screen, that's it. You'll never have to change another setting again. Done. And that's it. Please do subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos, or come over to Twitch and say hello when I'm live. Anyway, until next time, bye. Oh, not again. Why do I always get stuck? Oh, help me.